फेयर वैल्यू जो ट्रेड नहीं होती है, तो उसका फेयर वैल्यू कैसे निकालना इज इन इटसेल्फ अ चैलेंज. Then again losses on exchange fluctuation intra-group transactions. तो इसको किस तरह से report करना है? There is not much clarity. So these are some certain things which are uh, placing a hurdle for adoption of the Indian accounting standard in full spirit. So these are the basic change from the accounting standard which we're following and the new accounting standard. Now the earlier accounting standard placed emphasis on historic cost. Now historic cost is no longer relevant for asset liability measurement. तो अब क्या इसको किस तरह से measure कर पाएंगे? Historic cost की जगह कौन सी cost लेनी है अब आपको?
Fair value, market price.
Yeah, fair value price. Yeah. ठीक है. अब you also have to take time value of money. मतलब पैसा अगर आपको आ जा रहा है, it will be different than the money come to you 2 years later. You'll have to discount. So time value of money, cash flow to be discounted. Substance over form, contractual substance over legal form. So basically पहले जो we were talking about loan convenient. तो loan actually is a contractual obligation. तो उसको किस तरह से treat करना है? अभी there is not much clarity. So substance over form, contractual substance over legal form. And the focus is on balance sheet rather than profit and loss. So अगर आप देखो तो if we want to compare, the first thing we look for is profit and loss, but the 4 major pillars of IFRS pay attention on the profit and loss rather than the on the balance sheet rather than the profit and loss. So in India, these things are approved by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs or MCA. So currently 39 standards, as we've seen, are approved under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Notification 2015. Initiated moving towards IFRS issued by Indian Accounting Standard Board. MCA issued the Companies Rules 2015. And this is the timeline. So this we have seen. So if you've seen in the financial bill, the finance minister has left it to the regulators of insurance company and banks to decide when they will adopt these standards. Okay, so still RBI deferred implementation for insurance company till 1/4/2020 and RBI till 2019. So these are some positives, and so here when we were talking about this, so earlier obligations were contractual, matlab agreement between two people, and now it is more legal. So it gives more legality to the accounting statements. That is what substance over form, contractual substance over legal form. So earlier it was contractual, matlab agreement between two parties. Now it has a legal bearing. That is what it means. So this is how the new accounting standard align terminology with law. These are some terminologies or some guidelines. So we don't need to remember it by heart. but this is what we've seen. The Indian accounting standard improvises the IFRS. So पूरी तरह से adopt नहीं किया है. They are only trying to converge it with the international financial standard. So for example, accounting standard 20 talks about government grant for specific asset deduction non-monetary, whereas government has to be taken on fair value. Then acquired deferred tax benefit deducted from goodwill. If goodwill reduced to zero, it is to be recognized in profit and loss. So ये goodwill की हम बात कर रहे थे. Then we've seen that the accounting standard now talks about valuing your assets on fair value. So option to measure investment cost or fair value through profit and loss. So the IFRS are being given by the International Accounting Standard Board, which is an independent accounting standard setting body for international financial reporting foundation. So, the role of the chartered accountants in India has increased because now the accounting standards have changed, and probably if you know some CA, they would have told you that in the past few years, they've been very busy because of the change in accounting standard. So the IFSCI expected to actively promote the Indian accounting standards pronouncement, facilitate global harmonization of the accounting standards. So this is what we are trying to achieve: converge Indian accounting standard and IFRS, and create synergies with Indian accounting standard, International Accounting Standard Board. Integration of Indian accounting standard with international financial reporting standard as a result of synergies with International Accounting Standard Board. So इससे Indian accounting standard आने से पहले the accounts were prepared as per US GAAP. However, impact of companies through US GAAP and IFRS are not allowed in India for statutory reporting. So I think I'll stop here because काफी technical था, काफी information download हुआ है. इस सब में आपको क्या समझ में आया? मुझे आपके साइलेंस से पता चल रहा है कि बहुत कुछ समझ नहीं आया, because there is no interaction, there is no response, so I can understand that you have not understood a major part of it. But इसमें समझ क्या आया ये बताओ पहले. We will do it again tomorrow, but let me understand कि इसमें आपको समझ कितना आया, क्या समझ में आया, या कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आया.
मैम समझ आया है लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत.
क्या समझ में आया? That is what I want to know.
जो हमारे पहले अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड थे उनको कन्वर्ज किया गया है, मतलब अडॉप्ट नहीं किया गया है, बट कन्वर्ज किया गया है क्योंकि ग्लोबली एक्सेप्टेंस के लिए कि बाहर कैसे कंपनीज वर्क कर रही हैं उनको कंपेयर करने के लिए, ताकि सब कुछ समझ में आ जाए. ये सारे
this is one good thing that you have understood कि we are now moving to Indian accounting standard to make our accounting comparable with the global business. Okay, correct. What else? और क्या समझ में आया? ये सही, अच्छी बात है. This is what you should have understood. What else have you understood?
मैम अर्लियर बेसिस के अकॉर्डिंग अब ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी आई है, मतलब जो स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं उनमें।
ओके,
मैम ट्रांसपेरेंसी
और मेजर डिफरेंस क्या है इसमें?
मैम ट्रांसपेरेंसी इसमें ज्यादा है,
करेक्ट,
हिस्टोरिकल वैल्यू की जगह फेयर वैल्यू लेनी है।
करेक्ट, वेरी गुड, and it has more legality to it
हाँ
rather than being a contractual thing. It has more legality to it. तो 4 चीजें हमने देखी थी. So one is like I'm happy that at least uh, 2 things came out of it. तो historic cost की जगह हम लोग fair value लेंगे. Time value of money has to be seen. Substance over form contractual to legal form, and focus on balance sheet rather than profit and loss. Okay, so don't get overwhelmed. We'll try to be slow in the next class. अगले कल भी हम यही करेंगे, and maybe we will revise something of this. तो आप थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिएगा, थोड़ा सा आपको समझ में आएगा. If you question, then probably we will be able to do it better. But the things which you have to understand, आपने basically समझ लिया है कि हम लोग we are shifting from GAAP to Indian accounting standard, which is a convergence with the IFRS to take care of both, to take care of the local customs as well as giving a global relevance. So that is about the accounting standard. Okay. So I think I will end the session here today. Tomorrow also we'll continue with this. Probably I'll go a little more slow so that थोड़ा सा आप इसको invite कर पाओ. Okay. Anything else you want to ask? या कुछ you want to share something? Anyone?
नो मैम।
आज मुझे लग रहा है कि सेशन आपको बहुत ज्यादा मजा नहीं आया. I can understand it from the silence.
मैम कंफ्यूजिंग था थोड़ा बहुत,
हाँ,
and कुछ चीजें
Interesting.
and मैम कुछ चीजें बहुत नई थी इसमें.
Yes.
चलो कुछ नहीं, अब तो थोड़ा ये at least you have heard the words.
Yes मैम.
So we will do it again tomorrow so that your familiarity builds with it.
Okay मैम.
आप में से कितने लोग बीकॉम हो? कितने लोगों ने बीकॉम किया?
मैम मी
कलश, सौम्या?
नो मैम बीकॉम नहीं है मैम, मैं 12th तक साइंस साइड थी एंड देन बीए कर रही हूँ मैम, मैं ग्रेजुएशन.
ओके. शक्ति?
me also become honors.
शबनम? ओके.
Yes ma'am.
तो शबनम, it would have made little sense, थोड़ा सा सेंस आपको बनाया होगा क्योंकि एटलीस्ट आई नो यू नो अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड्स और ये सब सुना होगा आपने अकाउंटिंग, तो
Yes,
probably it
ma'am,
would have
yes,
made
ma'am.
some sense to you. Anyways, no issues. जैसे मैंने आपको जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि बैंक में हमें जाके बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स नहीं बनाने हैं, पर हाँ अगर हम थोड़ा समझ जाते हैं आवर वर्क वुड बी इजियर.
मैम
तो-
लेकिन ये मॉक टेस्ट होगा मैम, उसमें तो ये सब पूछा जा सकता है ना जो अभी
इसमें-
आप पढ़ा रहे हैं मैम. जो फर्स्ट मॉक टेस्ट होगा हम लोगों का उसमें
नहीं इतना डिटेल में नहीं पूछा जाएगा एक्चुअली, जितना
मैम
डिटेल
इतना नहीं पूछा जाएगा मैम, बेसिक्स पूछे जाएंगे.
यस.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है.
थैंक
Okay,
यू
so we
मैम.
will do it again. I will also think how to, make it more interesting for you. So tomorrow, I hope it will be a
Okay.
better session, and we will try to understand it in greater detail.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Chalo, bye bye.
ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you
ma'am.
मैम.
मैम